Write 7.97 times 10 to the negative 6 as an ordinary number. Now, because the power of 10 is negative 6, we're going to put a few zeros in front of 7. So before the number. So we're going to put a few numbers before 7. If this was positive 6, we would have put a few zeros after the number. Okay, and because it's 6, we're going to jump the decimal 6 digits back. So 4, 5, and 6. The answer is going to be 0. So the decimal is now going to be here. So the answer is going to be 0.000000797. For part B, it's saying work out the value of 2.52 times 10 to the 5 divided by 4 times 10 to the negative 3. Now, we're going to divide 2.52 by 4, and then we're going to divide 10 to the power of 5 by 10 to the negative 3. So let's divide 2.52 by 4 first. And we need to put 2.52 inside. 4 goes into 2 0 times. And the remainder will be 2 take away 0, which is 2. 4 goes into, and by the way, we're going to have to put a decimal here because there's a decimal here. 4 goes into 25 6 times, leaving a remainder of 1. And 4 goes into 12 3 times. So the answer to 2.52 divided by 4 is 0.63. Now let's work out 10 to the 5 divided by 10 to the negative 3. So 10 to the 5 divided by 10 to the negative 3. Well, we're going to use the division law of indices, which says that if you're dividing two powers with the same base, you're going to have to take away. So it's going to have to be 5 take away negative 3. So 10 to the power of 5 take away negative 3, and that's going to be 10 to the power of 8. All right, so the 2.52 divided by 4 gives us 0.63, and 10 to the 5 divided by 10 to the negative 3 gives us 10 to the 8. So the answer, well, not the final answer, but the result is going to be 0.63 times 10 to the 8. Now, this is still not standard form because the decimal needs to be after a non-zero number. So this decimal needs to go here. Okay, so this decimal goes after 6, so it becomes 6.3 times. Now, to make up for this jump, we're going to have to take away 1 from 8, so it's going to be 10 to the power of 7. So 6.3 times 10 to the power of 7.